Hello and welcome. Today we will do an exercise on how to gauge the perimeter and area of a square. A square, as we have learned, has all sides equal. Now for this square we are given only one side, but by the virtue of its being a square, we know that all sides are equal. Now this side is 4 over 5, and that side is 4 over 5. All sides are 4 over 5. So based on that, we are going to determine the perimeter and area of the square. Well, perimeter is to determine the total length around the square. This is found by adding all sides. Now, adding all sides of the square is like adding 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5, and we do that 4 times. We have done this before last week when we were getting the area of, the perimeter of a rectangle. Today we shall see that the same applies. This is how we get the perimeter. 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5. The good thing about this exercise is that it is the sum of like fractions. That means all denominators are the same. So if all denominators are the same, all we have to do is take the denominator and then add up all the numerators. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that gives us 16. 16 over 5 is the perimeter. Well, we can write 16 over 5 as a mixed number. We divide 16 by 5. It is 3. We get 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then 1 is left over. So 1 over 5 is going to be the mixed mode form of writing this improper fraction. Now we determined our perimeter. Once we get our perimeter, we can go over to the determination of our area. So the area of the square is found by multiplying the sides. So the answer for this is simple. We are going to multiply 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. So 4 times 4 will yield 16, whereas 5 times 5 will yield 25. So this is, as you well know, this is a proper fraction. Because the numerator is less than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. The units of area is square inches. Let us write it. It is square inches, whereas that of a perimeter is in inches. So we have a perimeter which is 3 and 1 over 5 inches, whereas our area is 16 over 25 square inch. Thank you for your attention.